told you guys we would do this piece together and on a video. So we're gonna go through it together. We will put a video together and I'll put it out there for you so you can kind of see what we're doing from start to finish. This piece is really old, but it's in pretty good shape. It's all solid wood. There's some problems with the drawer. You can see this is messed up, so I'll have to fix that so that the drawer fits on well. There's some damage down here that I'm gonna have to repair, so I'm working on pieces for that. I may add a few molds on the front to add a little bit of interest. Not totally sure yet. And then this, you probably can't tell from the video, but there's some trim missing around this door, and even here and here. So what I'm gonna do is use this amazing product, and it's called Amazing, and it's kind of like a clay, kind of like Play-Doh, and I'm gonna mish these together, and I'm going to put it right here and make a mold so that I can replace this trim. So that's what I'm gonna be doing next. I'm gonna clean it really well, sand it, fix the trim, fix the drawer, and then the fun starts, and we'll start painting it together. So we'll see you on the next step. Okay, so I've used the Amazing clay, and I've meshed it together, and I've put it on my piece for it to dry. It takes 20 minutes to dry, and then I can pop it off and pour my resin in it to make this piece right here of trim. And it should turn out perfectly since I'm doing an exact mold of the other side. So first time to use it, we'll see how it goes. It's Tracy with T's Artsy Attic, and I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you this piece. The good news is that it's finished. The bad news is that this is one that I said I would do a full video on from front to finish, from beginning to end. And unfortunately, with the holiday schedule and family being here, and my creative mind too was a little bit off. I couldn't decide what to do. So I kind of did it late hours and things like that, but I did wanted to show you the outcome. I just think it turned out so cute, and it's such a fun piece. It's a great little size. This is the one where I did the mold of the corner, and then I did a replica of it, and I put it over on this side where it was broken off. So I love how it turned out. That product is really super cool to use. It's Amazing is who it's by, and you can really make a replica of anything. Even if you have a piece of hardware that's maybe unique on your piece and it's broken, if you have another one, you can make a mold of it and you can make one. So it's a really neat product to use. I absolutely love it. And I also wanted to mention that I used the brand new transfer from Dixie Belle. This one's been inspired by Lotus Theory Designs, who is a brand ambassador for Dixie Belle, who is absolutely so talented and so fun, and I was so excited to use her new transfer. And I've got it all, got it on the sides, I've got it on the front, and I even have it inside the doors. I thought that was super fun little surprise when you open the doors. So I used original hardware here, and I've added the keyholes and these as resin. So we'll do a quick picture of the before so you can see that too. And so we'll do another piece start to finish, but this one I'm excited about. Oh, and I also used the the wood graining tool on the top, and I think that turned out real fun. I don't use that very often, but it kind of gives us slight wood grain in there to make it look very natural, I think. So it's a fun piece. It's finished. It will be going up to rerun in the next couple of days and be available there if anybody wants to take a look at it. Thanks a lot.